Problem number 1. What is the rectangle form for the curve given by the parametric equation x equals 2t squared plus 3t minus 5 and y equals t plus 3? And that would be y equals t plus 3. You will want the t by itself. So from here, you subtract negative 3 in both sides. When you subtract 3 in both sides, you delete the one that is on the right, and you will move negative 3 on the other side. That will give you y minus 3 equals t. After you solve for t, you substitute the equation for t to the other equation. After you solve for t, you would like to substitute the equation for t to the other equation. And that would be x equals 2 parentheses y minus 3 close parentheses squared plus 3 parentheses y negative 3 close parentheses negative 5. The first step when you're solving on an equation is to do parentheses, whatever it's inside the parentheses, or exponent. In this case, you would distribute the exponent first. You put y minus 3 on the top and y minus 3 on the side. When you're doing this part, you would like to use full method, or in this case, I would be using the box method. You put y minus 3 on the top and y minus 3 on the side. Y times negative 3 is negative 3y. It would be negative 3y to the other side too. Negative 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. And from here, you put numbers all together to form the equation, which would be y squared, and you add negative 3y plus negative 3y, and that will give you negative 6y. And negative 9, you just put it on the equation as well. So here's the equation. Now, you just plug it in. It will give you x equals 2 parentheses y squared minus 6y minus 9 close parentheses plus 3 parentheses y minus 3 close parentheses minus 5. From here, you distribute the number that's outside the parentheses to the numbers that are inside the parentheses. 2 is distributed inside the parentheses to multiply 2 times y squared, and that will give you 2y squared. Then you multiply 2 times negative 6y, and that will give you negative 12y. You will also distribute the 3 inside the parentheses. 3 times y is 3y, and 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. You can bring down negative 5 to the bottom equation. You're not finished yet. You need to combine the numbers that are equal. Now you need to combine the numbers that match. 2y squared does not match with another number, so you just leave it as it is. Negative 12y matches with 3y, so if you combine them, that would be negative 9y. You can combine negative 18, negative 9, and negative 5, and that will give you 4. So it would give you x equals 2y minus 9 plus 4. So the answer is C. Otherwise, you can check answers by graphing it. You click Menu, Graph Entry, Parametric. Then just plug in both x and y equations that were given to you. X equals 2t squared plus 3t minus 5. Y equals t plus 3. I'm going to change this to 10 and this one to negative 10. And click Enter, and it's a parabola. Now we have the graph. If you want to check if your answer is correct, or if you want to see which answer choice is correct, you can just plug in the equations to see which graph matches. You can simply go to Menu, Graph Entry. equation. And parabola, since we know it's a parabola, you go to standard form x equals, since your answer was x equals ay squared. Now you plug in x equals 2y squared plus negative 9y plus 4. And there, the graph matches. So your answer was correct.